In this video, I'm going to show you how to see deleted messages on WhatsApp. So in your WhatsApp application, open your settings at the upper right and then click on Chat. In here, you have an option to back up your chat, so just click on Chat Backup. It says here that back up your messages and media to Google Drive. You can restore them when you reinstall WhatsApp. Your messages will also back up to your phone's internal storage. So all you need to do is to click on Backup. You can also customize this. In here at the bottom, you can enable backup using cellular. So even if you don't have a Wi-Fi, you can still back up your messages, and you can also include all your videos. In that way, even if they deleted their messages, you can still view it in your Google Drive or any backup storage that you have. So the other ways to see deleted messages on WhatsApp is try to open your App Store and then search for WhatsApp history. This will save all the messages that in your WhatsApp. So just go ahead and click whatever you want. You can also download notification history. This will save all the messages that is in your WhatsApp. So even if they deleted the message, you will still have a copy of it. And that's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.